the lung-cleansing drink that anyone who smokes, or who has ever smoked, needs to try. Smoking is an addiction with extremely negative effects on your overall health. It damages every organ in your body, and inhibits every bodily function, and yet many people still continue to do it regardless of the effects. In the US alone, more than 16 million people come across some kind of medical problem as a result of smoking. This nasty habit is getting more and more prevalent, especially among the younger population, and the side effects are life-threatening. The best thing to do, if you're a smoker, is to stop smoking. Many smokers who read this will nod, and yet still continue with their habit. For those who will dismiss our warnings, we've got one remedy that will cleanse your lungs and repair some of the damage caused by smoking. It's beneficial for current index smokers, and is composed of turmeric, ginger, and onions. All of these ingredients are super healthy and beneficial for your overall health. Onions have potent anti-cancer properties, and inhibit the proliferation of cancer cells. Ginger has stomach-soothing properties, and eliminates excess water retention, which commonly happens in smokers. And turmeric is a super healthy Indian spice with a plethora of medicinal properties and an amazing nutritional profile. It's rich in vitamins and minerals and provides antibacterial, anti-cancer, and antiviral benefits. Here's how to prepare this lung-purifying drink. An inch of ginger root, onions, honey, maple syrup or stevia, 1 liter of water, turmeric. Preparation method and use. Mix the honey, stevia, or maple syrup with the water until it dissolves, and bring the mixture to a boil. Then add the previously chopped onion and ginger and simmer for some more. Lastly, add the turmeric, and reduce to medium heat. Let it simmer for about 30 minutes, or until the liquid is reduced to half. Set it aside, and let it cool down. Store it in the fridge.